So we're gonna stop and we're gonna turn, 'cause I don't want my thighs to burn. No, I don't want my thighs, no, I don't want my thighs, no, I don't want my thighs, I don't want my thighs to burn. And no, I don't live here, and no, I don't live here. I wanna eat a girl who has a big booty. I'm playing. That didn't even rhyme. That didn't even rhyme, homie! That didn't even rhyme, man! I don't think we're gonna be getting any open roads, so we're gonna gun it like this and then go somewhere else. Because I think we have some good training over here anyways. So let's find some other roads to ride on, plow through, skip the doodly-doo. Car. Car. No, this one's kind of far. This one? Okay, wait. Car. There you go. Piece by piece, man. Piece by piece. I'm getting it piece by piece. I mean, I did think that I'm like a riddle bringer, but I got it. I know I got to. It's just not coming out of my mouth. It's just not coming out of my mouth, man. It's just not coming out of my mouth. I'm almost getting it, but like I haven't got it. But I'm gonna get it once I give it, come home, and then I'm gonna give it into my ears. Pop like a popsicle. Pop like a bicycle. 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 I'm not gonna have fun with you guys, man. I don't even know what that is. Every time I do it. I don't even know what that is, man. And I don't even know how high I went, man. But we're not going against some Kia, alright? I'm not gonna bring Broly that down. We're not going against some stinky Kia. My bad. That was racist. I mean, dude, you're a Kia. Like, what the hell? What am I supposed to do with the Kia? It was Kia Stinger or something. But like, whoever makes love to a Kia. I'm a honey lyricist. I know, I should be nicer, things like that. Come on, man, like, I'm never even like, I know, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be like that. But come on, it's a Kia. What the hell do I do with a Kia? Huh? What the hell do I do with a Kia? What kind of lovemaking is that? I understand if it was R6, she has, Kakarot has no, standards. She ephemeral, but like, this is my other baby, man. This is my other baby. When I'm on a bike, everything changes, you know? Places that I've been, you know, don't seem as similar to me. They seem new. But even though I've been here a bajillion times, it's just, you know, time of day, stuff happening, throws you off sometimes. But this is actually a very nice road. Going the other way, not this way though. But I'm making a mistake, 'cause I forgot what day it is. Today is not a weekend, but today is a weekday. So we're gonna get F if we continue on this road. This isn't for us. No, not this road. So we're gonna stop and we're gonna turn, 'cause I don't want my thighs to burn. No, I don't want my thighs, no, I don't want my thighs, no, I don't want my thighs, I don't want my thighs to burn. And no, I don't live here, and no, I don't live here. I wanna eat a girl who has a big booty. I'm playing. That didn't even rhyme. That didn't even rhyme, homie! That didn't even rhyme, man! Freaking rape back there. I'm not going there. And I don't want my thighs to burn, even though my body yearns. My loins on fire. My body has a desire. Don't call me a liar. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I want. And I want to listen to Lil Wayne. Tunchi. That would have been so bad if that dude pulled out. I was busy, you know, touching myself, and that would have been so bad, man. Ooh, antlers, I must follow. Christmas parties with like girls wearing college Christmas parties, man. That's what it said. That's where it's at. I can see it is a cemetery. It throws me off because the way it's made. Freaking people. Rest in peace, homies. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Uncle Joe. Rest in peace, Uncle Joe. I'm not gonna forget that guy, man. When I was young, I used to live in the projects, and in the projects there was a guy named Uncle Joe. That wasn't his real name. We just called him Uncle Joe. But one day, Uncle Joe didn't come back home. Cause Uncle Joe, everywhere. And after that, no more Uncle Joe. Now, was that a true story? I'm gonna let you guys think about that. Whether or not it was a true story. Either way, man, Uncle Joe's gonna be missed. Come on, dog. I got places to be, nowhere. I got things to do. Nothing. I got nothing. What the hell is this? College. We're gonna go here. Can I go here? Yeah, I can. My bad. I saw that gate, that rail thingy, and for a second, it looked like I could have. Man, how much awesome would that be? Awesomeness would it be? Bump my Dragon Ball. If there was a ramp and I could go over those roofs. Oh god. Oh god. For your got you doing. Stop. And then we got the with the poppy. Cause it's clean roads for me to get dirty on them. It's actually college is out right now. I don't go to this college, by the way, if you guys are thinking that. But college is out. Woo! I'm telling you, man, she curves like a mug. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna snap some pics, but where? I'm gonna keep it right in the middle like her. Like right her. Oof. Snap some pics. Snapping some pics. Stand down. Look at the boss. She look good tonight. Why do I say stuff, man? Why does my mouth open in the first place? Huh? Tell me. Man, it is bright. We're gonna keep the visor down. There it is, my voice echoing in my mouth. How many of you guys want to go inside my mouth one day? Girls only, please. Guys, man, there's a lot of guys out there that be like, yeah, man, I want to go in your mouth. Well, hell no, dog. Well, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to take the possibility out. So you know what? How many guys and girls want to go inside my mouth? Exploration. I'm Louisiana, and you guys are Lewis and Clark, and my body is Sacagawea. Now you gonna tell me they didn't do anything? Pretty sure they did. Have you guys ever watched that SNL skit? Legit funny, where they're doing the Sacagawea thing. Lewis and Clark, but Lewis and Clark are not into Sacagawea, but Lewis and Clark, no. Like Lewis is into Sacagawea, but Clark is into Lewis. And yeah, it's hilarious. Since I'm an idiot, that's what idiots do. The bike should be parked the other way because the sun's coming this way, so all the pictures are gonna come hella dark. Oh, why am I so stupid? God, that's a lot of flies. We gotta clean this girl. Oh no, we can take pictures from here, right? But see, I don't want this. I want this view of the parking lot. Anyways, I don't know. I can't say what I can't say. I will say what I can't say, because I can say whatever I can't. And you couldn't say it if you couldn't do it, but I can't do it, so I will do it. And I'll say if I want to do it, but I'll say that I can't do it if I will want to do it. In the sunset. Tonight, I want to make love to you tonight. But stuff like that. They do have cameras here, so they know that Riding Insane was getting popping and taking some pills. But not of his time. God, it goes so dirty so quickly. And I apologize to the Stinger people. It's just, come on, you know. Much love to your car, and I hope you guys have a safe travel trip and all that sorts of jazz. It's just Broly currently is in training, but I can't have her going against, like, you know, everything. I'm not gonna have her going against a Prius. I told you guys she has to start from the bottom, because one day she could say she started from the bottom. Now we're here. Well, I can't make. I think there's baffles in there we can remove, but that might mess up the air, and I don't know. Just trying to sound cool, but I'm not. I get it. I know I'm not cool. Can I not try to be cool? Okay, so we're gonna. Make her dip. Okay, so the bike's like this. How should I park it? I really don't know what to do here. Okay, I know what to do. Oh, we're going over a hill. Mother effer of a son. Keep it like that. This should be good. Okay, what's poppin', Hummer? Will you stay or will you fall? I swear to God, Broly. You know, what's the funny thing is that when I was getting race rails for Kakarot, she was the ride before, or the day before I was gonna go get the race rails. That's the day that I had the leg day thing and I dropped. I think that's the day where I got a leg day and I was riding and I stopped and I got a cramp like mother effer. And God, oh my God, look at her. But I got a cramp like a mother effer and entire thing got ruined. But I didn't tell Papa about that one. You guys gotta see this bike in person. Like I told you guys, when I saw this bike in person, I was like, yep, this is it, no more, dead. She's just something else, man. In person with the lights on especially, she's something else. Problem is that if I get two like this, my shadow's gonna come. But the thing is, I can edit that out very easily. Come on, get that depth effect, Homer. Hell effing no. I'm not that much of an idiot. Saw that spin I did? Man. That spinach. Okay, we're gonna go in normal video or picture mode, and we're going to snap some milk pics, and then call it a day. And then I'm gonna go home because the ride has been long. Can't wait until we start modding out this bike. We have the essential stuff done, but there's still a lot more for us to do. Like a lot more. God, look at those lights, man. Look at those lights. It's not real, man. This bike is not real. Freaking like belongs in an art gallery. But today we had a lot of fun because today we put some really good training stuff on Broly. I enjoyed it a lot. That's how that road usually is. Even when you're on the weekends, it's so much more fun because it's filled with riders and stuff. Not always, but sometimes. And the cool thing is that that's the best road I can get the good miles on her because it's a very long road. And yeah, I have to go back and forth and stuff, but I don't mind. Come on, you're riding a beast of a bike like this. I don't mind doing that. But that's the thing. Stop and go traffic is not as much fun. I don't do highway riding. That's not my thing anymore. Highways here and there, yeah. But overall, I'm not into highways or any of that sorts of riding at all anymore. It's just not who I am. Like, that doesn't even make sense. Not who I am. Who says that? It's just straight. There's so much traffic. Here in Mexico, there's just always traffic everywhere. So it's just not my style of thing to go on the highway and just go straight. Over here, you get some turns and twists. Yeah, I'm not putting my knee down or anything because I'm scared. But it's still a lot of fun. I enjoy myself thoroughly. And then once we have the miles, we can go a little bit more raw on her. Once we got the miles, then we can take her to Supercar Alley. So I'm gonna open her up soon. Let her calm down a bit. She's a really good motorcycle. Like amazing piece of machinery here.